Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Toya.
I'm Marvin.
So today we're actually at IKEA. We wanted to take you guys along. We're going on a little IKEA trip.
Oh, yeah. So if you guys are ready, let's get it. Furniture time.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe before we start. We want to thank all our new subscribers. We really appreciate it, and all the people who've been watching. Thank you, and let's go.
Let's go.
Okay guys, so we're taking a break now to have some food. You know, IKEA is famous for their meatballs.
Balls of meat.
We saw a lot of good stuff that we wanted to get.
Oh yeah.
That we are gonna get. You guys will see that later. But now it's time to eat.
Time to eat.
A few moments later.
We bought this desk that doesn't fit, and we have to tie it like around the license plate, the string, and we're really hoping it stays like this, because this is how we're driving with the door prop. And I'm gonna be in the back seat because we have stuff in the front, so let's see if we make it. So we made it home with the desk. Thank the Lord. The rest of the stuff we have to get delivered, so we'll be waiting for that. The couch, the bed, and my desk. But I'm just glad that we made it home. Okay, so like I said, we made it home. We're just gonna do like a brief haul for you guys.
Very brief.
What we picked up besides the boxes that are getting delivered. So we got the bath mats. They're like super soft. 2 of them.
2.
So we got that. I don't remember how much it was, but
this is what they're called. I'm not even gonna try to say that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah.
I think like $8 each.
Something like that.
I got this really cute lamp for my desk. I think that's gonna be really nice. You guys will see how that's gonna be set up, but that's for my desk. And then this flower pot, I'm a want to pot a lot of plants around the house. If you guys have any suggestions on good house plants that don't need a lot of maintenance, because I'm a first time house planter, just comment down below. Let us know. But yeah, this is for my mint plant that I got from Target. We got a few light bulbs for our lamp, and we got this for our kitchen for our oil. Arvin insisted that we get it specifically.
That's classy, so.
That's for the oil. I got these little storage organizers for my bathroom drawers. I just want to try it out because I'm really looking for some storage for the bathroom. If you guys have any suggestions for that as well, mostly for like the cabinets, I need some storage for that for all my like hair care and whatnot. And got this little charger bit. It has 3 USB ports for all our USB port needs. And I'm gonna try this for the storage. I'm gonna put it in, it comes as one like big thing, but I'm gonna try and put 2 shelves side by side to see if that fits underneath the cabinets. And oh, and we brought that big desk home. I already showed it. So that's it for our mini haul, but we're just waiting for the stuff to come. We're gonna build it and show you guys like how that looks when it's all put together. So yeah.
3 days later.
Okay guys, so our IKEA stuff finally arrived. I'm super excited. We got a lot, didn't we, babe?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, but tell them about the story, the one with the delivery guys, because I wasn't here, but I thought it was super funny.
Yeah, well, as you can see, we're a half Asian household, so we take our shoes off, you can step on the carpet.
Yeah.
So these guys roll in the box, right? And they were about to roll into the carpet, and I was I had to do like this little stand, like kind of awkwardly. I'm like, oh, that's it, guys. Just put it in the kitchen. But the bad thing with that was I had to move the stuff from the kitchen into here. But as you can see, some of these boxes are huge and they're hefty. So that was quite a workout, but you know, we got it done.
Yeah, so we're just gonna like quickly go over what we got, because you guys saw from when we were at IKEA all the stuff we were picking out.
So we're just gonna go real quick. What we have right now, we got those stools that you saw last time, some cushions for that, some other small stuff down there. This is gonna be her desk. This is gonna be the bed frame, this guy and this guy. It's gonna be the drawer, that's the Pokemons. And then this big boxes right here, these are gonna be the big couch, the pull-out couch that you guys saw.
Okay guys, so as you guys saw, we have a lot we need to assemble.
Yeah, it's a lot.
In our next video, we'll probably show you guys how we assemble some of the stuff and then the overall outcome. So I'm super excited about that.
Yeah, can't wait.
And we'll list down below in the description box each item that we got, a link to it, so you guys can see like what it looks like on there and then the price as well. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe. We got more stuff coming out.
And we'll see you next time.
Peace.